What's up, guys? It's Friday. Just got out of work. I feel like all my videos are on Fridays. That's okay. Anyways, we are headed to. When I say we, I mean you guys and me. There's no one else with me. I'm gonna head to Home Depot. I think Home Depot should have it. Picking up the bed liner. I'm gonna do it this weekend. I don't really have like too many plans, so should be good for this weekend. Anyways, yeah, gonna do that. I'm gonna sand most of the engine bay on the Eclipse and primer it, and then I got a ton of parts in. Like I got all my stuff from the powder coater. I'll show it to you later. I got a box of some crap from Mishimoto. I don't remember what I ordered. I think it might be my motor mounts. I don't know why it would say Mishimoto on it though. But see when we get to the shop. Just got out of Home Depot, heading to the car wash, and then the shop. I might grab food. I'm starving, but I don't know where. That seems like it's always the problem, trying to figure out where. We'll see. Just got to the shop now. Pulled the Blazer out, put this in. If you can't tell what I'm doing, I'll actually show you. Went to the car wash. She's looking pretty nice. So yeah, here's sorry for the lighting, but there's the strut bar, my manifold, valve cover. Let me try and find the area that got fucked up. I could show you later. It's not a big deal. Then this from Mishimoto. I'm not sure what it is. We'll actually unbox it today, but this is what we're doing. Hopefully I can grab it with one hand. Nope. Insert the Jeopardy song. Alright, so we got painter plastic and some of this. Told you guys I was doing it. I'm doing the shit. Gonna do all the plastic trim from here down, and the grill. Everyone seemed to like that when it was black. And I don't know, I'm gonna need some opinion on this, but my tailgate looks like shit, so I'm thinking about I don't know, maybe from like right below the Jeep, just go the little Jeep symbol, go down. Let me know what you guys think, because I'm not too sure, but that's what we're doing today. Also going to finish up sanding the engine bay. It's only like maybe 12:30 right now, so I got all day. Going to finish up sanding this. I'm going to primer it and then paint this, and everything's just going to be drying overnight. I'm going to have someone pick me up, probably Haley, and so you guys can pretty much get a feel for what's going on today. I'm stoked. Another thing I forgot to show you guys, my battery's real fucking old. Still kicking. I don't know, I think I'm gonna replace it before we go on our trip in June. But this one was kind of bad on the positive. So come on, fucking focus. I spliced all the wires into this, and also got one for the amp, just so it kind of like, instead of, you know, like ghetto rigging it like people normally do with their subs. So yeah, it looks really good now. Other than I ran it through there because there's not a whole lot of room down there, but yeah. What's up, guys? So it's about 3:30 now. It's been, I'd say, an hour and a half, 2 hours. I sanded the entire Jeep except the paint. I just did all the plastics, and I started taping shit off. Never realized how bad this was, but here's me giving a fuck. Sorry if I sound weird, I have my mask on. Yeah, I sanded all of it. I think it's gonna look really sweet with the black. Oh, I'm trying to get Richard to sell me these. Hold on, he's got these fucking... Where are we? Come on. These little like light cube light bars. He's got 2 of them and I want them. He hasn't put them on his truck yet, so... Hold on, I'm putting you down for a second. Yeah, so he hasn't put them on yet. I think they look sweet right here. Hold on. They look sweet like right here. Like on the front though, like with the grill on and everything, it looked dope. I kind of like the look of that license plate bracket. But yeah, Brandon should be coming here. He's a buddy of mine. He's got a Dodge Avenger. I don't know anything about it. What motor it has or whatever, it doesn't matter. He just got, I think he got a splitter, side skirts, and a diffuser. We're just gonna put them on there, and my brother might be coming too. Haley's gonna be coming up because I'm hungry, and obviously I need a ride home. And I think Richard is coming up, so we'll try and persuade him to buy those and maybe put them on tonight. Who knows? So it's about, I don't know, a couple hours later, Brandon came. We put a diffuser on. We slapped on some little side skirt canard things, and a splitter too. I'll show you that.
Well, on my story, there's like a
Let's
thing
see here.
saying
Check that bitch out.
$2,000 help Robin get the most likes. Right. It's a spam thing. It's like that sunglasses ad thing.
yeah. I don't know
That's
what the fuck. She had authority to post on my story.
It's pretty late. It's like 10 o'clock at night. We went to Applebee's. Me, Brandon, my brother Randy, his girlfriend, Haley, Richard, and Brianna. It was pretty good. We got a bill of like almost $200. But yeah, back at the shop now. I am not gonna do the Jeep thing like I was telling you guys. So I'm just gonna finish sanding this. I'm gonna go around. Most of it's taped up. I didn't sand this. I taped that off though. And then I'm gonna tape the rest of this. Lay the first coat on. Help Richard detail his truck real quick. Hopefully that'll be dry enough to lay a second coat on. Go home. Come back in the morning. I gotta help Dave, the guy who has the bigger shop. He's gotta like lace tires and like throw some out and stuff. Maybe I'll get tires out of it. He said he'd pay me. I'll not say no. And then I'll lay a couple more coats on, and then we gotta go on a road trip to Pennsylvania. We're getting some Krispy Kreme donuts, and I think we're going to the zoo too. I'm not too sure, but you guys are coming along. So it is now midnight. The grill's looking good. Jeep's all taped up and sanded. She's ready to go.
Yo, you got a leak in this thing.
Thanks to Richie for some help. Let's get painting. Midnight, baby, let's go. So just put a couple coats on. I'd say maybe like, I used 3 whole cans, so I'd say maybe they got me about like 5 coats. It's about 12:30 now. It only took like half an hour. I don't know. It dried really fast. I even touched it. Here's how she's looking, man. It's looking pretty fucking good. Anyway, this looks sweet. You can't even tell there's rust there. Look at that. Reggie's tucking his ball joints right now. That's gonna be it for tonight, but I'll start filming in the morning. I'm just gonna clean up the shop. I'm out of bed liner, so I gotta go back to a different Home Depot. They only had 3 at this one, so I was gonna grab 5 anyways, so I'm gonna grab 2 more tomorrow and then just keep coating that on. I want it thick as fuck. I don't know if there's perks to having it thin or perks to having it thick, but we're doing it thick because this said so. So stay tuned tomorrow. What's going on? It's the next day. Trying to make it for Taco Bell breakfast. It's currently
Yo, are you gonna break?
50.
10:50. Yeah, don't pay attention to me. What are you doing? Crazy ass motherfuckers. Trying to make Taco Bell breakfast. Gonna go to Home Depot, get more bed liner, go to the shop, lay on some more coats. I did 5 last night, so we'll probably do like 7 or 8. I'll see what I can get out of 2 cans. Like I said, I'm laying it on thick. And then to PA we go. Just picked up the stuff from Home Depot. I got 2 cans and more tape just because we're gonna need it for the engine bay anyways, might as well. Just got to the shop now. It's looking pretty good from overnight. You can still see some of the scratches from the sanding. That might annoy the fuck out of me. But it looks good on the metal. Looks real good, but the plastic, I don't know. Hopefully we can lay a thick enough coat on with these 2 cans to do it. I only put 4 on this and you can't see any of it, so we'll see. So that's all the cans. Everything looks good. I'll show you that fender last. All looks pretty good. I just thought about it now. I should have done the mirrors, but whatever. Because those will probably smack trees and shit. And I'm sure you guys know I wasn't doing this for looks. I'm doing, well, partially looks, but mainly for function here. I don't want my paint scratched. Should have just done the whole fucking Jeep. But yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there, you can see it on camera. Fucking, the can ran out of air. And then it was like spraying and then it just went and spit a bunch of fucking paint on. So hopefully that dries out, or I don't know. It's not really like I can wet sand and buff it or anything because it's fucking A, bed liner. It's a little different to do, and B, it's plastic, so it'll burn. I've burned cars before and it's not fun, just by accident. So yeah, I guess just gonna let it dry. The floor, dude, oh my god. Definitely should have put cardboard down, but then again, I don't really care because our lease is almost up here, and well, not almost up, but we're gonna try and get out of it. Get something bigger, but the last guy who was in here didn't take care of it. Like, look at this. This is all from him. All those marks, burnouts and shit. Dude was a dick. Anyways, yeah, just gonna let this dry. I might pick it up tomorrow or Sunday because it's Saturday right now. It says 48 hours to cure, but I came in this morning and everything was dry, so who knows. Should be heading to PA in a couple minutes and get Krispy Kreme and go to the zoo, so that'll be fun. Check that out. That's the second one we saw today with a bunch of old cars on it. This is sweet. Oh, are they braking? Fucking, what is that? Chabal? That's sweet. What is this? Oh, Pontiac? Look at that. Look at that green. That's nice. Oh, it's a Nova. My bad. We made it. You stoked or what?
They closed the bird exhibit though.
That's okay. They close in like an hour and a half, so we'll see how it goes.
Mom, that was 25 cents.
Okay. Where's that?
Does anybody want a lifer? Does anybody?
If this thing would focus. Yeah. How you doing? Sweet. Don't mind if I do. Oh.
Look at him move, dude.
Thing's crazy. Damn. Oh, there's another one. Just gonna do that all day. Holy fuck.
Guys.
Go do. I want to be on the white.
Oh, Jesus.
He's like,
Lean back.
And if you only like they walk today.
Look at this guy. Pretty sweet. Something's in here.
what the hell?
Damn. Oh. Coming to get some? You want some of this? Why are they just standing there? No food, buddy, sorry. Oh, they're all coming. Uh-oh. Oh. Nothing? Oh, that's good. Woo! Oh geez, what's up with my camera here? Come on, Papa. Yeah! We made it. Richard out here being super fancy. I just got normal ones like a real boy. Oh, I should have got the fancy hat, but I didn't.
Aw.
I know, I forgot. We're gonna head up like a food joint or something right now. So, what's going on back here?
Nature park.
Fuck off.
Say it.
Shit! Yeah, fruit.
You're in drive.
There's bird shit on the door handle. Richard touched it. Brianna called it poop shit. Okay. So we actually just ate at Chick-fil-A and went to Kohl's to pick up some presents for my cousin's birthday party tomorrow. That should be fun. They got a pool and stuff. Oh shit. Big smudge. Anyways, I think we're heading home now. There's not really like much left to do that we can think of, so you're coming along for the ride. Just got home now from PA Zoo, all that stuff. Went to Kohl's to get some presents, and then we came home.
How about you drink,
I had grocery shopping to do at Walmart, and then yeah, so that's pretty much it for tonight. It's gonna be 2 videos because well, this one's all gonna be one, but I'm filming tomorrow, which is Sunday, because we have a big car meet to go to, and then probably other stuff. We're gonna unveil the Jeep and everything for you, and I'll unbox that box. I forgot about it, but as always, if you guys like that video, give it a thumbs up. Want to subscribe for more? Subscribe for more, and stay tuned tomorrow for the good stuff. Peace.